Khureb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Bereshit, Genesis, Chapter 1. In the beginning, Elohim, deities, created the heavens and the earth. And the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep. And the Ruach, spirit of Elohim, moved upon the face of the waters. Then Elohim said, "Let there be light," and there was light. And Elohim saw the light, that it was good. Moreover, Elohim divided the light from the darkness. Then Elohim called the light Yom, day, and the darkness they called Lilah, night. Thus the evening and the morning were the first day. And Elohim said, "Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters." Then Elohim made the firmament, and they divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament. And it was so. And Elohim called the firmament Shamayim, heavens. Thus the evening and the morning were the second day. Then Elohim said, "Let the waters under the heavens be gathered together unto one place, and let the dry land appear." And it was so. Then Elohim called the dry land Aretz, earth, and the gathered waters were called Yamim, seas. And Elohim saw that it was good. Also Elohim said, "Let the earth bring forth grass, the herb yield seed, the fruit tree yield fruit after its kind, whose seed is in itself upon the earth." And it was so. Therefore the earth brought forth grass, and the herb yielded seed after its kind. The tree yielded fruit, whose seed was in itself after its kind. And Elohim saw that it was good. Thus the evening and the morning were the third day. Then Elohim said, "Let there be lights in the firmament of the heavens, to divide the day from the night, and let them be for signs and for appointed times and for days and years. Also let them be for lights in the firmament of the heavens, to give light upon the earth." And it was so. Therefore Elohim made the two great lights, the greater light to rule the day, and the lesser light to rule the night, and the stars also. And Elohim set them in the firmament of the heavens, to give light upon the earth, and to rule over the day and over the night, and to divide the light from the darkness. And Elohim saw that it was good. Thus the evening and the morning were the fourth day. And Elohim said, "Let the waters bring forth abundantly the moving creature that has life, and fowl that may fly above the earth in the open firmament of the heavens." Therefore Elohim created the great whales, and every living creature that moves, which the waters brought forth abundantly after their kind, and every winged fowl after his kind. And Elohim saw that it was good. Also Elohim endowed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply, and fill the waters of the seas, and let the fowl multiply in the earth." Thus the evening and the morning were the fifth day. Then Elohim said, "Let the earth bring forth the living creature after his kind, the livestock and the creeping thing, and the beast of the earth after its kind." And it was so. Therefore Elohim made the beast of the earth after his kind, and the livestock after their kind, and everything that creeps upon the Adamah, ground, after his kind. And Elohim saw that it was good. Then Elohim said, Let us make Adam, mankind, in our image, after our likeness, and let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the fowl of the air, and over the livestock, and over all the earth, and over every creeping thing that creeps upon the earth. Thus Elohim created the Adam in their own image. In the image of Elohim they were created. Male and female they were created. Then Elohim endowed them, and Elohim said to them, Be fruitful and multiply, and replenish the earth, and subdue it, and have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the fowl of the air, and over every living thing that moves upon the earth. Moreover, Elohim said, Behold, I have given unto you every herb bearing seed, which is upon the face of all the earth, and every tree in which the fruit of the tree yields seed. It will be food for you, and for every beast of the earth, and for every fowl of the air, and for everything that creeps upon the earth, in which has life. All green herbs are for food. And it was so. Then Elohim saw everything that they had made, and behold, it was very good. Thus the evening and the morning were the 6th day. Furthermore, the heavens and the earth were complete, and all the host of them. Therefore, on the 7th day, Elohim created their work, which was made, and they rested on the 7th day from all their work, which was made. Then Elohim endowed the 7th day, and they set it apart, because in it they rested from all their work, which Elohim created and made.